Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to create a link within a Google Doc that jumps to a specific part? Super useful for long documents. You can elevate the reading experience by adding a link to other related topics of an article or report. Let's say I want to link this section. First, I need to mark it. Go to Insert, choose Bookmark. That little blue ribbon means we have created a bookmark. You can copy the link of the bookmark here. Now, let's highlight the text we want to turn into a link. This is the text I want to link. Go to Insert again. Click Link. So, in this pop-up window, you can paste the URL here, but instead of doing it, you can simply go to Heading and Bookmarks tab. Here you will see different headings of this document, and when you scroll down, you can also see the bookmarks that we have created. So you can add links to any heading of this document, or you can even create bookmarks at a specific location and just select them here to link them. As I've shown you, you can also link different headings of your document. So let's try them. They are actually much easier and faster than linking to a bookmark. So just for example, here is a text. I want to link this text to a specific heading. So now instead of going to the Insert menu, I can right click and select Insert Link. Again, let's go to Headings and Bookmarks section. So this is the heading that I want to link to. When I select it, boom, I have actually linked a text. It's similar to how we have done with bookmarks, but here it requires fewer steps. I will just show you. When I just click this, my page has scrolled down to this heading. You can even link to the headings and bookmarks of other documents by copying their URLs. So this is other document. Select the heading text, right click, and you will see copy heading link. Just click that. Let us go back to our document. I want to link it here. I can use a shortcut key to insert a link. That's Command K or Control K. And paste that link here. When I click apply, now we have linked the specific section of other Google document. Let me click this link and show you. Ta-da! You can see that link has exactly opened to this section of other document. And there you have it. You can now create links to specific parts of your Google Docs, making them easier to navigate and use. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.